welcome to Moving Mango. I'm Hannah, the creator of the Moving Mango method, and today we are going to do a quick stretch routine to help you relax all the muscles and your whole body and mind. So if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's do this together. Alright, now let's start with some deep breaths. So I'm going to sit, hold your back in neutral. Now feel free to bend your knees, open your legs if it's easier for you to open the hips. Hands on your knees, relax your shoulders. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. And a couple more deep breaths here. Inhale and exhale. I want you to relax your shoulders, don't lift it up when you inhale. And exhale, relax your shoulders, don't make any tension. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Good. And now I want you to inhale, lift your shoulders up. And exhale, bring it all the way down as much as you can. So 5, 4, 3, slowly, 2, and last one. Good. And now slowly rotate your head around your neck. Inhale halfway, exhale halfway. And 4 more rounds slowly. 3, 2. You can close your eyes if you want to feel more on the balance. Last one. And reverse. Just lengthen your spine still and feel how your body connecting to the mat through your sitting bones. Amazing. And 2. And last one, fully to 4 directions. And slowly bring your head back to the center and you can open your eyes anytime. Alright, open your arms to the side, relax your shoulders. And I want you to inhale, lean on one side to the side bending. And then come back to the other side. And slowly bring it back to the center. And 5 more times each side. Do it with your own breath and do it. We don't have to do it so quick. Just listen to your body. Do it with your pace, with the breath that you inhale and exhale with. Good. To the opposite side. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Open your chest. Lengthen your arm and feel the side of your waist is lengthening. Last one. To the opposite side and slowly bring your arms back to the center. Now start to rotate your arms, tiny circle for 5, 4, 3, relax your shoulders, 1, reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Now rotate your palms facing up to the ceiling, soften your elbows, bring your elbows all the way towards the body and then lengthen all the way, reach as far as you can, relax your shoulders and 5 more times with your own breath. 4, 3, good, keep breathing, and 2, try to lengthen, last one, and slowly reach your hand to one side and to the opposite side. Back to the center. One more time. Feel like someone, imagining like someone pulling your arm away from your shoulder to the other side. And slowly bring your arms back to the center. Alright, bring your hands down. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. Do it slowly. Good. And feel so good here. Reverse. And one more round. And slowly articulate your spine, cat and cow in sitting position. And round your spine, chin, chest, belly button in. Come back. Inhale. And exhale, round your spine. And 4. Slowly. 3. Pull the belly button in to support your lower back. 2. Go each vertebra at a time, slowly. Last one. Articulate, inhale. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest, and slowly bring your torso back to the center. Now, I want you to sit along the mat. So open your legs to width apart, arms to the front, soften your elbows, and then slowly round your spine. Bring your chin to the chest, and then come back, lengthen, relax your shoulders. You can open your arms just slightly wider, just relax your shoulders here, and 5 more times with your own breath. 4, belly button in, relax, and 3, keep breathing, 2, and last one. And slowly bring your arms all the way to the front, palms facing down. Lengthen your legs if you feel comfortable with the hips. Flex the ankle and flex forward. And then bring it back, shoulders relaxed. You can bend your knees if it's easier for you. But I want you to inhale and try to just go as far as you can, but don't have to go so far. I want you to feel your hamstring, stretching, pull the belly button in, round your spine. Go a little bit further and then come back. If you feel it on the lower back now, then I want you to round your upper spine more and then go. So don't have to like flex all the way over your feet. Just really listen to your body and go to the point you feel good with the lower back. And last one. And slowly bring your shoulders down, hands behind your head. Rotate your elbows and your whole torso to one side. And then come back to the opposite side, back to the center. 5 more times each side. Here, relax your shoulders. 4, 3, and 2, and last one. And slowly bring your torso back to the center. Good. And now I want you to bend one knee, lengthen your opposite leg, extend the ankle, arms all the way up. Inhale, and exhale, flex forward, round your spine in your chest, and then bring it back, shoulders relaxed, lift and round, and then come back and 4. Slowly with your own breath. 3. Exhale every time you flex forward. And 2. And last one. And slowly bring it back. Now keep the same knee here, hand on hand to the front of your chest. Slowly rotate and then come back to one side. So 5 more times. You feel your upper leg is twisting. 4. Relax your shoulders. 3. Belly button in. Stabilize your hips. And last one. And slowly bring your hands down. Bend your opposite knee. Flex the ankle. And then slowly bring your hands up. Inhale. And exhale. Round your spine in your chest. Belly button in. Relax your shoulders. And 5 more times again. 4. Belly button in. 3. Try to go each vertebra at a time, and I want you to feel that your spine is just round and move slowly. Last one. Alright, hand on hand to the front of the chest, relax your shoulders. Now extend the ankle, rotate your torso, and then come back. And 5, stabilize your hips. 4, relax your shoulders, keep your arms parallel to the ground. 2, and last one. And slowly bring your hands down. Bend both knees, hug your knees to your chest, straight your hips, inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Good. Now I want you to allow yourself to bend one knee to the front, one knee to the back. And I want you to inhale, slowly bring your hand to the front of your chest, relax your shoulders, pull the belly button in, and rotate your torso to the opposite side and all the way back. So 5, 4, 3, good, and 2, and last one. Now if you feel like fancy to lengthen your back leg all the way towards the back, then just do it. Otherwise just keep it bent like previous movement. I want you to flex your torso forward and hold it here for 5, 4. Put your torso where you feel comfortable with your lower back. And slowly walk your hands back. Go to the opposite side. So again, knee bend, one knee forward, one knee back. And I want you to inhale, hand on hand to the front of your chest. Relax your shoulders, move to the side all the way, and then come back all the way. And 5, pull the belly button in. 4, good. 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring it back to the center. Now flex forward, lengthen your whole back leg if you feel comfortable with that. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Slowly come back. Open your leg as wide as you can and extend the ankle. Open your arm to the side. Inhale, lean on one side, and exhale, come back to the opposite side and slowly back to the center. And again, only to the point that you feel comfortable with the lower back. So I want you to engage your core, to support the lower back, but then also feel your side, the side of your waist is lengthening. To the opposite side, back to the center, and 2 more times each side. Last one, stabilize your legs and your hips, and slowly bring your torso back to the center. That's amazing. Now bend your knees, keep your feet to go to the center, and flex forward just as far as you can. You can roll your spine if you feel comfortable. Just hold it here, shake your hips gently. Good, and feel so good. And then slowly walk your hands back. Walk your hand to one side. Hold it here for 3, 2, 1. Walk back to the other side. Hold it here for 3, 2, 1, and slowly walk back to the center. That's amazing. Now you can cross your legs or you can bend your knees if it's more comfortable with you. I'm going to inhale, slowly bring your hands to the front of your chest, interlace your fingers, lift your forearms parallel to the ground, push your hand to one side, relax your shoulders and start to rotate. Try to use your hand to push all the way to the side and come back to the opposite side and push all the way with rotating your torso and back to the center, and slowly bring it back one more time all the way and rotate and come back to the other side and all the way and slowly bring it back to the center. Reach your hands all the way up and down. Relax your shoulders one more time and exhale, and slowly bring your hands down. Rotate your shoulders again. Reverse. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Bring your head to one side, to the opposite side. Then come back 5 more times each side, to the other side. 4, belly button in. And 3, 2, and last one. And to the opposite side, and slowly bring your head back to the center. Rotate your head to one side, look down to your shoulders. And to the opposite side slowly. Still lengthening your spine and back to the center, and rotate your head around your neck again. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose, 2 more rounds. Exhale deeply through your mouth in the last round. Now reverse. Inhale and exhale, and 2 more rounds. And last one, lengthen your spine. Slightly pull the belly button in and bring your head back to the center. Now still close your eyes here. Relax your shoulders. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And I want you to hear your own breath. Inhale. Exhale deeply. Relax your shoulders. Couple more breaths. Very good. Inhale and exhale. And one more deep breath. Exhale deeply. And slowly open your eyes when you're ready. And that's the workout today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.